Adding muscle after 50 comes down to 3 details. Not 5 workouts, not special supplements. Just 3 simple details. But if you miss one, the progress is going to slow down really, really fast. First, mechanical tension. Muscle grows when it's forced to produce high tension under control. After 50, that doesn't mean max weight. It means challenging weight. If you finish a set and you could easily do 4 or 5 more reps, you didn't create enough stimulus. You want controlled reps in the 12 to 15 range, taken close to failure. The last few reps should slow down. There should be some intensity involved here. And these reps should be demanding some effort. As we age, we lose fast twitch fibers first. The only way to preserve them is to recruit them. And the only way to recruit them is to push your sets hard enough. The next thing is full recovery. Muscle does not grow during the workout. It grows during the repair phase. We get this wrong so often. After 50, recovery takes longer. Protein synthesis is elevated, but connective tissue and joints need way more time off than what you're probably giving them. If you train a muscle again before it finishes repairing, you interrupt the adaptation process. It's a cycle, and you need to allow that cycle to be completed. That's why many men over 50 grow better training a muscle every 6 to 8 days versus doing it twice per week. Sleep matters, rest days matter, protein intake matters. You don't grow from doing more, you grow from recovering better. And third is your calorie environment. What do I mean by that? Your body will not build new tissue if energy is scarce. If you're constantly trying to stay lean, like I see a lot of guys do, or you're sitting in a deficit all the time, you're going to be limiting your growth. You need a small but controlled surplus. Enough protein, roughly 0.7 to 1 gram per pound of your goal body weight. And consistency for weeks, not just a day here or a day there. You have to remain consistent. Muscle builds slower after 50, but it absolutely does still build. Mechanical tension, full recovery, and slight calorie surplus are keys. Most men over 50 don't need a new program. They need to execute these 3 details that I'm telling you right now consistently. And that's how you grow muscle after 50.